Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You begin by installing Google Pay and granting NFC and location access. This lets your phone act like a card. Next, open the app and choose Add a Payment Method, Tap Card. You'll enter card details or scan the card camera. Once done, Google will request bank verification via SMS, call, or app. Complete verification so the card shows as active. Make sure your phone's default payment app is set to Google Pay before moving on. Once your card appears active, verify it fully with the bank's prompt. Sometimes you'll approve a push notification in your bank app or enter an SMS code. After verification, set your primary card under payment methods so tap payments use it by default. Add any loyalty cards or transit passes the app accepts. Also make sure a secure screen lock is enabled. Google Pay requires that for contactless payments, so transaction to pay in store, wake the phone, hold it near the contactless terminal, and keep it there until you see a check mark or feel a vibration. For online or in-app purchases, choose Google Pay at checkout and confirm the charge. If a tap fails, restart NFC. Toggle NFC off and on, restart the app, and ensure Google Pay is the default tap app. If problems persist, update the app and OS, and contact your bank to confirm UAE support and card activation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.